What is computer? The computer is an electronic device which can accept data or information from the user and gives us a meaningful result within a few milliseconds. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means calculate. Full form of computer: COMPUTER, C for common, O for operating, M for machine, P for particular, U for used for, T for trade, E for education, and R for research. History of computer. Computer history starts with the development of a device called abacus by Chinese around 3000 BC, used for systematic calculation of arithmetic operation. Father of computer. Charles Babbage was considered to be the father of computing after his concept, the invention of the analytical engine in 1837. First computer in India. Indian Statistical Institute ISI at Calcutta in 1955. Function of computer: 1, 2, 3, 4. Accepting data, processing data, storing data, and retrieving data. Characteristic of computer: automatic, speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, power of remembering. General use of computer: office and organization, engineering and design, animation and graphics, desktop publishing, and medical science. Circuit diagram of computer: input unit, memory unit, output unit, input unit, keyboard and mouse, memory unit, CU, ALU, and output unit, monitor and printer. Generation of computer: first generation in 1940 to 1956 uses vacuum tubes. Advantage or disadvantage: bulky in size, highly unreliable, costly, difficult to use. Example: UNIVAC, which is UNIVAC, UNIAC, which is UNIAC. Second generation, which is between 1956 to 1963, uses transistor. Advantage and disadvantage: faster, smaller, more reliable, easier to use. Example: IBM 700. Third generation, which is between 1964 to 1971, uses integrated circuit, which is IC. Advantage and disadvantage is faster, smaller, more scientific, easier to use. Example: IBM 360. Fourth generation 1971 till present uses microprocessors. Advantage and disadvantage: smaller, affordable, reliable, more powerful, very easy to use. For example, IBM PC and Apple. Fifth generation present and beyond uses artificial intelligence. Advantage and disadvantages are portable, powerful memory, reliable, very powerful, mainframe. Example: IBM Pentium. Classification of computer by basic pattern. Computer: analog, digital, hybrid. Now digital: super, mainframe, micro and mini. Now micro has been divided into three parts, which is desktop, laptop and palm top. Classification of computer by hardware components. Computer, hardware and software. Hardware has been divided into three parts, which is input, processing and output. Now processing has been divided into three parts, which is ALU, memory and control unit. Now memory has been divided into two parts, which is primary and secondary. Primary has been divided into two parts, which is ROM and RAM. On the other hand, software has been divided into two parts, which is application and system. Hardware: the physical component of a computer, system and the various accessory devices that can be added such as printer, modem and mouse are called hardware. Software, a set of computer programs, procedures and associated documents related to the effective operation of a computer system is known as software. Computer software are classified by two categories. One is application software. For examples are Microsoft Word, Excel, Paint, etc. The second is system software, which is like Windows, DOS, Linux, etc. Memory, an organized collection of cells used to store data and programs is called memory. In a computer system, it is divided into three parts. First part is primary memory. There is like a RAM and ROM in the primary memory. Secondary memory, which is like hard disk, floppy disk, magnetic tape. Third is cache memory, unit of memories or units of memories. 8 bits equal to 1 byte, 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes equal to 1 gigabyte and 1024 gigabyte equal to 1 terabyte. Difference between data and information. Data are raw materials from which information is derived. Similarly, information is the data that has been collected and processed in meaningful forms. Booting, the process done by the computer after it is switched on, is known as booting process. Booting means readiness of the computer to accept commands from the